What's up, guys? We are back here with another everything's regular video. Man, oh man, it's been a busy week. It's gonna be a busy week. We are here in the garage with the bikes. Man, this is probably like one of the last few times we are gonna be here at this location. Yes, we are moving, guys. So we're moving locations. We're getting a house, getting another garage. I can't wait. Gonna try to set that thing up something nice, man. So stay tuned for that. If you guys don't see a bunch of videos this week, man, that's why, man. We're in the process of getting everything situated now, man. So in the meantime, man, if you guys haven't though, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. It all helps out. Can't wait. Getting this red and black Road Glide situated with the rear wheel today. Then once we finish that, we'll throw that little cover on there and maybe go for a spin or something. So at least I think so, man. So we'll try to get that wheel on there and see how it's going, man. So let's check it out. Alrighty, guys, we got that back wheel off. You guys know most of the time, and that's the easiest part of it. We only had one back wheel where it was just literally flawless putting back on. Hopefully we had that same type of luck today, man. So let's mount you back up and get it going, dog. Oh man, never stop believing in yourself, dog. I was just like, oh, I can't get it, I'm over it. And I just tried some finagling and we didn't figure it out, man. So from here on out, I think I got it, man. Shouldn't be that hard from here on out, dog. So can't wait. First ride coming up. Y'all see what's going on. Now we got to tackle that this little storage door right here. But the hardest part is done, y'all, so I'm excited, man. Alrighty, guys, and just like that, the bike is literally complete, like complete. Everything is complete. Speakers are in there, speaker covers, freaking wraparound is on there, turn signals is on there. Everything is good to go. Got the storage doors, everything is good there. We did put our back wheel on there too, so that's complete. Literally a beauty, man. This thing turned out really great. Like, I ain't gonna even hold you, I really think chrome is like the new black. Like I told you, black was everything when I first started. Now I'm really feeling this chrome. Like, I can't get over it. That thing just looks so good. Now the only thing we literally need left is a engine guard, a little chin engine guard. So that should be here in a couple days, but literally the whole bike is complete. We don't have to remove nothing, take nothing off, so we should be good to go, man. Let me know what you think about it. I'm gonna fire this thing up, see what it's hitting for, man. Feel me? Feel me? Yes, sir. This thing do look good, man. What y'all think about it, man? Let your boy know in the comments below. All right, man, we gonna freaking go upstairs, take a shower, get cleaned up, man, and take this thing on the first ride here pretty soon. But in the meantime, it is looking good. What y'all think about it, man? Let your boy know in the comments below. We waiting on our paint set for this one, so can't wait. That one should be done like Saturday or so. So can't wait to see what that thing looks like. All right, now that we got that one situated, we can go get the rear brakes on this one. Is like literally damn near metal to metal, man. So I gotta go get these brakes changed out along with all the fluids on this one. Make sure all the fluids is good, because I know he's a rider, so I'm sure he gonna slide on that thing right when he get it. And I just wanna make sure everything is top tier when he does. So we're gonna load this thing up, take it to BBV, have him switch that out, and then we'll pick it up later on. I'll get y'all a first start on this thing, since the sound is just oh so amazing. Alrighty guys, so we just made it to BBV. We got our CVO here. Is about to get the rear brakes, the rear brake pads swapped out, get all the fluids and stuff changed out, and then they're about to go over it, just make sure everything is copacetic, and then from there it's pretty much done. We got to get just a little turn signal bulb for this little headlight up here, but other than that, it's pretty much good to go, man. Meanwhile, guys, next morning here, well, next couple mornings rather, man, we got the 2021 Road Glide Special loaded up. We're about to take it to the new garage, because as you guys see, we are moving out of this location, man. Everything out of here is pretty much gone. Well, the garage is still here, but mainly everything. Oh, dang. I started that one off bad. But anyway, everything in this apartment is pretty much gone. All the big stuff, everything is gone. It's pretty much just trash left. But everything is gone, man. Off to bigger and better things, man. Never underestimate yourself in life. Always go for what you want, know what you want, and know nothing in life is impossible, man. You can get whatever you want, dog. I've been dreaming about this moment for like the longest, dog. So now I'm about to show y'all where we moved out of a 2-bedroom apartment and what we're moving into. Alrighty, guys, and here it is, the new garage. We'll be getting everything situated. I'll probably end up putting this in the backyard, because I'm like literally never going to use that. But we got our 2021 Road Glide Special in here. We only want complete bikes in here, so I'm gonna finish the other 2021 up at the old crib. We still got about a good week or so before we gotta be out of there. But y'all see the garage here, man. Looks really dope. Can't wait. Super excited. We come in here, this is gonna be like my office or whatnot. Everything's regular office. Still got some unpacking to do, but for the most part, pretty cool. We're getting there, y'all. We're getting there. getting there. We still got a few bags and stuff left, but rooms and stuff upstairs. She like her house, her room. We gonna go up, man. So still got a lot to do today. Gotta go pick up the other bike from BBV. But we gonna get it together, y'all. Can't wait, man. I appreciate y'all support. If y'all haven't entered, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Copy your red, blue, and white Everything's Regular hat. And you'll be entered to win, man.